Ethan has hiccups, and look at how well he's handling them. Aww. You're doing so good. Oh. You get on with the camera? Throat it like totally. You're so cute.
We're gonna save all of these, and you're gonna go, Mom, what did you do this for? All these videos of me doing silly things like hiccuping.
It's so cute because you're almost a week old today. Look at how much you've changed in a week. You have color now. You're not you look like a mixed baby, not a white baby.
Look at those shiny feet.
Long legs, long fingers.
I think of that.
Okay, we won't show them to your girlfriend, Mama. We won't. Okay.
So shiny. Oh, there goes the arm. Yes, now there's typical Ethan and all
Flailing arms.
legs. You did that inside the tummy. You do that outside the tummy. Open your eyes, Ethan.
Look at me, Ethan.
Open your eyes. Here's your life. Open them up. You all done here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you switched off.